And currently, no, his excellency president John Mahama, in fact, hit a corner concerning the issue of buying presidential jet. No, Bonohene, Twene Jonas, together with TikTokers, Abe clash with him. The man chiri munu achire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Brock Media. Meso say need you. Obe like video no other man. Put subscribe button. Number click notification con no latest update. Now chire wadwen da mame. Ewo comment section. Meso so baso no share for so enya bi ahwe. Yese obe so hu enipa su a manebre. Obe hu ni su bai pa. Abra na NDC for wo fie no. Ye nyina wo krom hadomo. We also how they vehemently oppose the idea say top private jet, top presidential jet. Emma Oman Penyah or Tiagram that time, a Kufado. As a Kufado air qua on Fanco, a bear gun a Japadia. But NDC stood on their feet against it. Emma back at this issue, Crano. Their general secretary and I said their general chairman, Johnson, as sitting at here, honorable. I got on one of the TV stations, a honor. I know what I said. It's a crown rainwater any safe cause. Save your so in so to so be and here now. Walk also a Kufado Hunsu because Obediale ewu wim.
I didn't think say President Igari will win. Tell me. No, because it says a rainwater crying is safe.
I didn't see.
Oh, because President Johnson. So. I didn't think I said President Igari will win. I can't say, and so freshen up will play Munan. How many people do that? How many presidents do that? How many of them? Tell me.
Emma, this issue of presidential jet now. And this man look as if say, oh my not it ya pansam, oh my name be uncle so nothing they move. And the Google best for Tebriganes Cadicoto presidential jet. It on countless time, the NDC stood against the purchasing of the presidential jet.
Serve notice that we on the NDC side in Parliament, we have discussed extensively amongst ourselves. We are not going to support this purchase, the purchase of a new aircraft, because of a number of reasons. One, the current presidential jet is fit for purpose, as President George Weah has told us in our faces. It's very fit for purpose. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, the current presidential jet, if you read the Hansard of 19th March 2008, we were told by the then defense minister, who is now National Security Minister, Honorable Kandapa, that our jet has a 20-year lifespan after it arrives. It arrived in October 2010. It's done barely 11 years. Next month it will be 11 years. We are nowhere near 2030, where you can start discussing.
Now, 205 you know, and I was saying, come on, SRB, SR, Debbie. There's a need for presidential jet. After say the chopper no, Eddie Omanebu Amamo, any the 7 other people, Ekoshiwo, Eku Mukurano, a ho, any niba said Debbie, any jet no, ye presidential jet, any Ghana Armed Forces jet no more. And yet, it is here for fraud. And then your Omodeko Primo Ghana Parliament, Emma was a Parliament, Aja to Muse, young Koto presidential jet. I'm a secret de Kotono, jet no, $60 million. Now you know the funny thing. Before then, out of force and more Parliament has on more, as a jet no. And your luxury, if we said, there wouldn't be any bathroom in the jet.
We are correcting it. The aircraft referenced in the budget are not luxury aircraft. Mr. Speaker, I want to use this opportunity to assure this House that the aircraft, the helicopters and the aircraft that will be purchased by the Ghana Armed Forces will certainly not have a bathroom. There will be no bathroom in that aircraft. Mr. Speaker, it is not a luxury aircraft that will have a bathroom, and it's important I make that point.
Meanwhile, jet train Koton Air Falcon 6X 2025 model, 25 year Air Falcon 6X no. A luxury because our bathroom, our kitchen, our BBR.
Stepping on board the brand new Falcon 6X, introduced in 2025. It's designed for groups of up to 16 passengers. The cabin feels incredibly spacious. Every seat is fully adjustable and super comfortable. There's a large table, perfect for long journeys. And the jet can fly non-stop from London to Los Angeles or Dubai to Tokyo. The sofa? converts into a full bed, and there's a new, modern bathroom built for comfort on long flights.
Nese, ato force be twa tro Ghana for. Wo be twa tro nese omuni Ghana ni ye. Omuni Ghana ni ye because ahokyere na mo can say at the expense of this miserable economy no, you wouldn't allow any idea leading to the purchasing of the presidential jet. You wouldn't allow it, and you always oppose it. Now we are still passing through that economic hardship. We are passing through same. You are passing through same. Nothing has changed. The assessment dollar back from on the internet, inflation back from on the internet, but on market, nothing is reflecting. Nothing. It's a memo now. You put social media. We see changes on the internet. We only see changes on social media, but on grounds, nothing has changed. That is the fact. Nothing has changed. And no, Anna Bonohene, Twene Jonas, any TikTokers, Abe clash with John Mahama.
Untimi teacher for car, o Messi says he can go to private jet, Oberqua Samando, and this poor Munsu. I don't know Muntimention or be antimikobomi, baby, a muni chasere, stupid people. Cassia Jimmy, I got to Abba Mamun Tap for Jimmy for more of your fee. Namu says he can't go to private jet. Namu Mefa is he can go to petrol room. Na teacher for Yentio Moka. I car quiet to accident Kumunipa. Na kwasi John Mahama ba ko pɛ no ɔno nko agimi a ɔkwasa mando no man ye ya sɛ na nipa obi ahụ atɔ no enti onima on make sure say kwasi akeka no mte parliament wo ka no on meja agimi no no am dis kana kwaya nkran tukuma say double road say $60 million so sesɛn no ebetimi abai Accra tukuma say road ama kwaya 2020 ama accident ya kum nipa na ajai so nim no masika no so kotojeta and one no about Samando. My Ghana, you have spent $60 million. Hey, I got top presidential jet. Hey, you partner and some paying John Mahama, better luprim. No, carry a Ghana force. Hey, wow, hey, I better imagine any. Hey, number be obey Garden Crano, a switch and bedroom now, Dano. Hey, jet as soon as far, Bibia won't bomb from a jetty. But you jet in the bureau. Hey, presidential jet in here will be. Aye, pristine. Can't you some who could have tabra? Can't you so do Katia say, ye presidential jet, no, aye, pristine. I want holding a better courium. Geniacasa. And among countrymen paying John Mahama, so will two Penyah, one far ye presidential jet into Pine. The Canada, because ye babies will soft it. Someone could have told Braquanum, Mamu Babonte, Mampain and Ado, your presidential jet, a pristine, our Hode, Bibia, Womunim Dientia, Mampain and Ado Telcunaso, now all to Quaya, the taxpayers' money, what they call charter flight, not the two Quaya. Bona Castle Mountain. And sir, your presidential jet war, not a Wahode, Yamana come one Amokaye. And then they see Yahoquine said, Sir presidential jet. Ye be use $60 million. I could purchase presidential jet. Someone paying John Mahama 1 trillion. None of Bush phone nothing we are so Ghana. The can we also be reset your mind. Come on, Johnson said, "Don't catch us." Man paying an ado. Jet, chartered flight, walk what no jare. None who's who out to send to another Ghana for so. Yente Johnson said, "Don't contain opposition." And somehow can about the presidential jet name.
I didn't say President Igari will win. Tell me. No, because it's a rainwater crying is safe. Oh, because President Johnson. I didn't say President Igari will win. I can't say, and so freshen up will play Munan. How many people do that? How many presidents do that? How many of them? Tell me.
Right, me bacha where Johnson said don't get ya. Me be so be repeat akraba concentrate ni enko. Repeat bi oni enko.
I didn't say President Igari will win. Tell me. No, because it's a rainwater crying is safe. Oh, because President Johnson. I didn't say President Igari will win. I can't say, and so freshen up will play Munan. How many people do that? How many presidents do that? How many of them? Tell me.
Me bacha where Johnson said don't get ya. Chama ma NDC. Ama yoku no.
Was him and paying an ado or Quatina, we no Jarino Jones, now be good Ghana for so. And by extension, presidential jet in 1 year, Cotonou, John Mahama, with all respect to the seat, to the office of the president. Well, Quatina Luprenum, no Jaria Jones, Yaswana.
Hey, not paying for to be Catrosa. In paying for to be Catrosa.
Samo Kujatabra Quadiemra.
The Speaker, please serve notice that we on the NDC side in Parliament, we have discussed extensively amongst ourselves. We are not going to support this purchase, the purchase of a new aircraft, because of a number of reasons. One, the current presidential jet is fit for purpose. As President George Weah has told us in our faces, it's very fit for purpose. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, the current presidential jet, if you read the Hansard of 19th March 2008, we were told by the then defense minister, who is now National Security Minister, Honorable Kandapa, that our jet has a 20-year lifespan after it arrives. It arrived in October 2010. It's done barely 11 years. Next month it will be 11 years. We are nowhere near 2030, where you can start discussing.
2030 no bisa someone kuja tabra and odin twana ni ti ho tishanchen te say ade din kutu afa ho
Hey, not paying for to be Catrosa.
bisa nsa 2030 no ya duru
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo ntem.
so no na se bo kan ye no was your main 2030 kura ni adwen presidential jet ho enti den na asesa. What is the state of Ghana your presidential jet no etumpan and your taxpayers money and your little jet no and to move who the state of the presidential jet whether you fit for purpose and you fit for purpose because now if what if you ntimi twamuka teacher 40 fear you ntimi twamuka and now come kwa manfo su and can you bo ko nsuo bo ko ye wosika yam fan kuchin the ordinary Ghanaian no ho han wo kroma and your presidential jet.
And no Adedan Kwakufuado eye o mampani wo Ghana ha. E pacho player no di ni juma friend presidential jet na hu nsensem ne ye bebre. E di no mampani betu kwan agi se okochata ana se okohan aeroplane e na odiako. And I'm sorry assume then NPP government e ka say we need to buy a new presidential jet. Na omu tu hu na mo ye hu adwuma. Yenya then opposition leaders I know mu abamu a omu kura key positions e wa abawe mu e ma omu kasa ye dede etia Adedan Kwakufuado e cancel bebre. In fact they even said say we are insensitive to the plight of Ghanaians. When you're Ghana for when you be our poor mind when you within me and your man before send the same to the say. Yet to a man musika some more to happy. Yet to a man more Ghana kwan nyina enye. Yet to a man more a school for we school to fear omunya jumanye. Peguma omunya also the Ghana sika e kwako to plane. This way their west. This way their west. Abusia said ye bibia na ye kan asema ye back with science and data niti. I just want to show you some videos. Okay? The big kind eye esi edunketia. Take and watch.
And until I didn't answer President Igari will tell me. No, because it's a rainwater crying safe.
I didn't.
Oh, Kosha President Johnson.
Salty. Medase. The Otosubium. Aye Sammy Gyamfi. Take and watch.
Man said because I my Ghana Japade. What you say? It's President Mahama say new you for buy you need baby you finch. I don't know the two coin. And one of President Mills the other day, the two coin. Nana show boy dear say munyanefe. Opedi adware wo mu a obetimi adware wo mu wiem. Opedi empake siesin king size bed obetimi adam. Opedi mamu massage. Opedi adware wo mu yedi go.
Did you hear that? And Sammy Gyamfi a good board. Penny aye kana ketua e di kirewa obekwowachi. Medase. The otosum yensa me pese wutie no. E broja Gyamfi tie no.
Africa memu. Presidential jetta ewo Africa. Edi mu pa si ehwehwe be se miensa Ghana ka ho as South Africa ni kuro ba akopɛ bi ene omo de no esen Ghana enu nti ene timi ye mampani bi fe e ma obesre Ghana se mumfa mu wiem hyen ne mame na memfa tu kwan because it is fit for purpose.
Okay, And then Bonohene Gyamfi a deputy defense minister. Afe nipa baako pa me pesa wo hwe ne yie na wo tie ne yie. Aye Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. Take a note.
Let me serve notice that we on the NDC side in Parliament, we have discussed extensively amongst ourselves. We are not going to support this purchase, the purchase of a new aircraft, because of a number of reasons. One, the current presidential jet is fit for purpose. As President George Weah has told us in our faces, it's very fit for purpose. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, the current presidential jet, if you read the Hansard of 19th March 2008, we were told by the then defense minister, who is now National Security Minister, Honorable Kandapa, that our jet has a 20-year lifespan after it arrives. It arrived in October 2010. It's done barely 11 years. Next month it will be 11 years. We are nowhere near 2030, where you can start discussing.
And then Okudzeto Ablakwa, a foreign affairs minister. And then Parliament are approving $60,680,000 Say yen fan konkoto Falcon 6X aircraft. Luxurious one. Where the exchange adu dan kwaku for the no. Because we obedwarim, obedem ba nyina kitchen bibia wombi. Bia. Where are those who were very loud in opposition? Where are they? One way. Okay, the black away. Sammy Gyamfi away. Bonohene Gyamfi so away. I see a dunketia. Where are you? And then when you know where you see us, I'm with the more Ghana. Where are you? Martin Kwebu, Ono Crawford. Where are you? You guys are quiet, right? Me musao. Ghana kwani ya ni nyinawi. A school for no more school no mutifie no. Me patwa ya fo mu nyina adwuma. Me bia koso kama Ghana ha. Ye betimi afa taxpayers money na ye de akwa akoto sa plane no. Enye sa. Wo a wo kaseti adu danko akufu adu. Ebra okobo sa aircraft iso. Ebia no. Hwe go and ask for forgiveness. And this how a bed said will be do akwantoa akobotu.
Tell what your mama e comment section. I Penyah Block Media Accra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!